Let's be honest, it's easier to focus in a normal classroom. And to support this statement, there are a number of factors involved, one of which is the environment. As we are surrounded by our classmates, teacher has more control over us, and as we are in school with a proper school uniform, so it's naturally somewhat easy to focus. But now you are in your home, wearing your casual clothes, lying in bed in front of the monitor. Teacher has very limited control over you. You can run out of the class whenever you want, turn off the microphone, the video camera. You are basically your own master with thousands of excuses. No one is there to scold you or guide you. But whatever the scenario, we have to deal with this online classes because it's the need of the hour. And with this comes several other problems. And the one problem we are going to discuss is how to focus in online classes and most importantly how to maintain that focus till end. Well, I have a solution for this as I had my online classes from morning 9 o'clock to evening 6 pm and I was able to maintain that focus. I was able to keep focusing every day. Yeah, there were times when I didn't wanted to focus, but I kept focusing. Also, there were times when the things just went over my head, but I applied some tips and tricks which helped me kept the grip of what's going in the class and keep focusing till the very end. So let's see what are all those tips and tricks I applied to do so. Number 1. Study in a room where you are alone. This becomes very important when we are in our home. As at home, we are living with our family members who are doing their own stuff. But this is a complete opposite of what is in the normal classroom because our classmates are also focusing on the same thing as we are focusing on. But at home, everybody is busy in their stuffs. And if they are around you while studying, it may create a lot of disturbance and distractions. You can just request them to not enter the room until you ask them to. And I am sure they will be very supportive of you. Number 2. Take notes throughout the classes. Not in the way that you are writing down everything, but understand and write in form of bullet points and flowcharts. This will help you even if you lose focus at some point in the middle of a concept. Just keep taking notes because if you revisit it later, you will get the idea of what is the concept all about. Also, this is the only thing that will keep you engaged and will force you to maintain that flow of focus. It also helped me while revising things just before the exams or a particular test. As it was not possible to read everything for revision, we just not have enough time to go through all of that. Just keep writing down the points. Number 3. Use a old and effective pen and paper note taking method. As there are many other online methods of taking notes like typing, but pen and paper note taking method is the most effective as it gives much more control over how you can write and format your notes. But if you choose to take your notes by typing, if your typing speed is very good, then only choose that method. But if your typing speed is less than 100 words per minute, then I don't think it's the best idea for you. Number 4. Participate in class by answering to questions and by asking questions. This thing will keep you active and keep your energy levels high throughout the class. Teacher always engages with the student by asking questions. So if you are focusing on the concept on the class, then it will be very easy for you to answer. And once you answer, you will feel very good, which will kick-start your motivation to focus. Number 5. Revise your notes every day before sleeping and practice what you learn. After the class ends, you lose almost 60% of the information. So in order to focus the next day in the class, you should be aware of what the teacher has taught you today in the class. So before you sleep, just go through and revise your notes. The next day it will help you maintain that flow. If you are not able to understand, you will not be interested. And if you are not interested, you will not be able to focus. It's all indirectly related. So these are some of the tricks, but there are some things to avoid also that can disturb your focus. Do not multitask while having your classes as it will distribute focus. Don't skip doubts. If you have doubt, make sure you clear your doubts because at the end it will only hamper you. And if you ask doubts, there might be chances that your fellow classmates also have a doubt, but because they are shy or they do not have the confidence to ask, you can help them indirectly. And whenever we ask any doubt to the teacher or any person in this world, they tend to give much more information than what they normally give, as they start thinking that you are interested. So they will start sharing more knowledge. So these are all the things you should avoid. Today the education system has all been about getting good marks, but you are learning for yourself. Learn to gain knowledge, not to pass exams. Study every day, because if you don't study now, then you have to study again all of these in bulk just before the exams. And even by following this, you get better marks. You just top in the class, but you will never be able to know your full potential, your true interest, and you will never build a system of discipline. You will struggle throughout your life because you have manipulated yourself to act at the last moment. That urgency will only rise when the deadline is near. So this phase is the phase where you build a system of discipline. And we are the first generation of this new school method of online classes. As in history there were no computers, and in future it will be a very normal thing. And either we talk about students or teachers, everyone is experimenting. So like me, you can also experiment and find out the ways to focus, to be productive in the class. And if it works for you, please share it with others. You can share it with me in the comment section, and you never know, can help others also. With that, keep praying for our country and stay safe, everyone. Please stay safe. It's a very crucial time for us. And if this video has added any sort of value in your life, please like, let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and share this video with your friends who you think might need this. Consider subscribing if you want to see more such videos on lifestyle and personal growth. Thank you so much guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.